If you're thinking of switching careers into the tech industry, I'm going to break down to you guys what exactly is web development and what are the benefits that you will get by actually switching into this branch of the tech industry. Now, who am I? My name is Joe Santos, aka CodingPhase. I have a website called CodingPhase.com where we teach people how to code and how to get into the tech industry. So again, I've been doing this for over 14 years as far as development and 7+ years teaching others to get into the game. Why am I making this video? Very simple. I get people from all type of lifestyles and different careers that hit me up and tell me, hey man, is the tech industry worth it? Should I get into it? Should I invest my time into this career on learning the skills and then trying to get a job? Can you break it down for me? What exactly is it? So this is why I'm making this video, to go in and answer all of those questions. So if you know me and I'm giving you this link, right, in this video, it's for a reason. It's because I'm basically breaking everything down for you. Let's actually start with the benefits so you can understand why you should invest your time in watching this whole video. So number one, you can work remote, meaning that you can work from your house, you can work from the beach, you can work from any country you want, right? Literally, you can get a job working from wherever you're at or where you want to move to. So again, it's something that it gives you that freedom, okay? The second benefit that you have is the salary range, right? So most people start anywhere from $65,000 to $85,000 on their first job, but that doesn't mean that's where you're capped. That's literally where you start off. From there, you can continue growing as a developer and make way more money. There's people that literally have 7-8 years and are making $300,000-$400,000 on their company. It all depends on what type of skills you have and what type of branch of development you decide to go with, right? So just like anything in life, the more skills you have, the more experience that you have, the more money you're gonna make. But the cool thing about development is that with this type of companies, you can actually see the growth like gradually on your career. You can even get into manager positions, right? You could build your own companies, you could sell your own products. So at the end of the day, it's like a really good benefit to have that, hey, I'm investing my time into something that could really pay off in the long term. Number three, for me, this is crucial, right? This is the number one benefit that made me say, I need to get into this thing. And it was the fact that all of the skills that you have, you can actually use for yourself, meaning that yes, you can work at a company and provide your services to that company for your salary or for your hours that you put in, but then those same skills, you can actually put it to work for yourself. You can build your own company. You can sell your own digital products. You can create your own microservices, your own web applications, and literally make money with them independently. To be honest with you, once you have all of the skills for full stack development, you can pretty much build your own company. Again, it all depends on your drive and your hustle. If you're somebody lazy, you was lazy in whatever job you was doing, guess what? You could get some good money, but you're also capping yourself out, on whatever your company gives you. Now, if you're a hustler and you're somebody that works hard, guess what? This is the career for you, because you could literally take it to whatever level you could think of, straight up, like no cap. There's literally an unlimited amount of money that you can make if you actually put in the work. So again, you can't really say that about a lot of careers. Number four, probably the most important benefit for some of you guys that are trying to switch careers into tech, is the fact that you don't need a degree to get this job as a web developer, right? It's more about being able to produce. Can you do the work? Do you have the same quality of work as someone who has a degree or someone who's been working in the industry for years? If you have that quality of work, then you're gonna be fine. People get hired without a degree all the time. Now, what exactly is web development? Basically, web development is working with websites or creating web services for users to be able to use or companies to consume data. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of examples of sites that you guys have probably seen, right? And break down for you guys exactly like what they do and how you as a web developer can do this type of website. So right here we have theverge.com. This is a blog. So just like any type of blog, someone has to build this site, manage the content, manage the information that's being put, the images, the videos, the things that you get to see when you go to this website. You have also to government institutions or even universities like this one. This is NYU Polytech. Somebody has to go in and manage this website. So again, this is all part of web development. You also have online stores like fashionnova.com. This is something that all of you guys have seen, either commercials on Instagram or influencers talk about this platform. Guess what? Someone has to build this and also maintain it. We have other websites like this one, Shein.com, another e-commerce website. So yes, you can sell products online using web development skills. Now, of course, you have things like Netflix, right? And yes, Netflix is an application for your TV, but on the back end, all of this is done through the web, right? So at the end of the day, this is also part of web development. You also have things like Instagram, social media. So pretty much everything that you see that it's online, either through your phone, going to a website, right? All of this is part of web development. Again, we're showing you guys another one, which is like healthcare.gov. This is also done with web development. For someone that is interested in this, as you can see, there's a lot of opportunities and a lot of industries that use web development to either sell the service or to basically showcase a product or to sell the product itself, right? Or to help people solve a problem online. All of this is done through web development. Now let's get into the type of skills that you need to become a web developer. So technically, to become a web developer, you start with the basics and the foundation, which is HTML, CSS. From there, you have JavaScript, which allows you to basically create websites and become more interactive. And then from there, you have backend languages like PHP, C#, and you can even use JavaScript on the back end using Node.js also. Now, where do you learn these skills? So there's a lot of resources online, right? There's the free resources, there's the mid-level resources, and there's the high ticket resources, okay? So I'm gonna break it down like this. The free resources, you have things like YouTube, free code camp, and a couple of other websites that's out there, blog posts, right? PDF, ebooks, right? So you can get a lot of stuff for free. But the problem with free is that you're going to spend more time trying to find the right resource, and you don't really have a curriculum set for you. So you can actually just go through the courses and then actually get in there and, get the skills that you need to get the job. You're just like searching and doing your own research on your own. And that's going to cost you not money, but it's going to cost you time. So if you want to go on that route, you can also go on that route. Now you have platforms like mine's, CodingPhase.com, where we actually go in and basically create the whole curriculum for you. We provide you with all the courses. We tell you what type of projects you need to build. We look at what's happening in the market as far as what type of jobs are hiring, who's not hiring, right? What skills you should learn, what skills you shouldn't learn. And we provide you that information for you. Top of the coaching and the help with the portfolio. So again, we're really like super hands-on to making sure to save you that time and you could get to your goals as soon as possible. Then from there, you have the next tier, which is platforms like bootcamps, online programs that charge thousands of dollars to teach you the same fundamentals that any other company or any YouTube tutorial will actually teach you for thousands of dollars. And again, it comes with marketing, right? You might see a big budget commercial online, and you might see a guy that says, hey, how I got $180,000 job from this bootcamp. But again, that's the highlights. They're not really going to help you as much as you might think. Sometimes we go in this mindset of, if I spend a lot of money, I'm getting the best deal or I'm getting the best product. And when it comes to learning this type of skills, it's not really about how much you spend. It's more about what they're providing for you, and also to who is the instructor and the person that is teaching you. And then the next tier will be college, going back to school, getting an associate's degree or getting your bachelor's degree in computer science, right? That's years of investment and money that you have to put in. So again, it's up to you what you want to do. Go on the free route. That's going to take you a lot of time. and you're gonna make a lot of mistakes, you go to a platform like mine, CodingPhase.com. We save you that time, right? Yes, you're gonna be paying a premium than free, but at least you're getting to your goals. Then you have the boot camps where you're gonna spend way more money for the same information that you could get at CodingPhase.com or even on the free route. And then college, which just basically means that you're gonna have to put your life on hold for the next couple of years. And one thing that I will say about college in that option is that not every college or university is created equal, right? Going to MIT, Stanford, it's not the same thing as going to, BMCC in New York City or LaGuardia Community College or DeVry. Like, understand that there's a huge difference from Ivy League and just regular schmegler, local colleges. Like, those things don't really open doors for you. Now, if you go to an Ivy League school, getting a master's or something like that, yeah, like that's really going to help you out. I will always tell you go for that. But you also have to remember the time that you're going to have to spend, the money you're going to have to spend. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. So let's discuss the different levels of jobs in web development. Entry level, which is for roles like content editor, web producer, web administrator, email developer. Then from there, you have the next level, which would be like a junior level developer, which is junior positions for front-end development, back-end development, Shopify development, right? Those are junior level positions. From there, we have the mid-level positions. And this is when you have a couple of years as a front-end developer, as a back-end developer, where you are now getting to that point where you're comfortable. You don't really need a lot of hand-holding. You pretty much know exactly what to do. And then from there, you have the senior level position, which is basically someone who has been tried and already has put in the work over years and actually understand the whole process of web development. Think of this role like someone who is a quote unquote manager in a sense, or the go-to guy that pretty much when things break, he's the one that knows how to fix it. So a junior or mid-level developer can go to him and ask those questions. So again, that's when you reach that level of a senior developer. All right, guys. Now, I hope that this video has been useful for you guys. I'm going to put a couple of important links on the description. Definitely go check it out. I will definitely say, this is a great career. I have no regrets in it. I've been doing this for a long time now. And again, I've seen the process of people coming in, like not knowing anything, coming from being literally like truck drivers or people who were accountants or nurses or school teachers who are now switching careers into tech, and they're looking for an opportunity in a job that doesn't take that long to learn the skills or too many certifications, right? Things that could prolong their entry into this new career. It's been a great opportunity to see that from both sides, from the sides of me doing it myself, and then also to helping others and seeing, where they get to go on their career and, how much they have seen growth over the years. Now, if you're looking to learn how to code, guys, you got to go to CodingPhase.com. This platform is built for you, the person who's looking to switch careers, the person that doesn't know anything, and also to the person that has tried multiple platforms and feels like they let them down. Come to us at CodingPhase.com. We're going to take care of you. This is what we do. All right, guys. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Leave me some likes. Leave me some comments. Show me what you think about this video on the description below. And definitely share it with, your friend, your family members, right? Your coworker, right? People that's interested in switching careers. This is a great video for you to just go in and present them what this career is about. All right. I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again. Peace.